Hello and welcome to You Can Succeed with Affiliate Marketing. Most people who succeed online start with affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Because it's easy to get started, simple to do, and it doesn't require a big budget or lots of connections. In this video, we're going to overview the process of affiliate marketing, and in the following videos, we're going to dig deeper into exactly what you need to do, exactly how to do it, and why it works. Many people start out knowing what they want to promote. And if that describes you, that's great. If not, and if you're starting from scratch, then your first step is to choose a niche. But what is a niche? It's a group of people who have something in common. It's just that simple. Simply a group of people who have something in common. They may want to lose weight. They may want to meet their significant other. They may want to make money online. They need to solve a problem. All of them need to solve a problem. And if you help them solve their problem, they'll buy the products you suggest. Doing some basic research using Google will tell you if there's a chance of making sales. We'll go into that deeper in Module 2. Next, you choose a product that this niche needs and will buy. Those are two separate things, and you need to know both. We're going to go into that again in Module 2. This takes some simple research. It's easy to do, and we'll show you exactly how to do that research in Module 2. Next, you create a way to build your list and make sales. That is usually called a squeeze page. You need to have a way to build your own mailing list because your own mailing list is a powerful asset online. You want to be able to offer the people who join your list more than just one thing. And you need to be able to make sales as well. This can be done in one day, and then you drive traffic and measure results to that page. All of these things and more are covered in this course. Now, people often ask, can anyone really do this? If you have an internet connection, you're watching this video right now, and a desire to succeed, you have what it takes. They also ask, what does it take to succeed with affiliate marketing? And that's why we created this course, to give you the exact steps to follow. Let's look at different ways that you can succeed with affiliate marketing and find the one that fits you. There are many ways for you to succeed with affiliate marketing. The key is to find the one that you like the most and will do consistently. Very important that you like it. You can master that first and then move on to other techniques. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to try to learn 10 different marketing techniques at once because that's going to lead to confusion. So pick the one you like the best out of the ones that we present to you and then learn how to master that. Affiliate marketing should be a joy, not a chore. It's fun, and it should be fun for you. Let's look at the choices. Number one, we have content marketing. Very hot, very popular, and very effective. Content marketing simply means sharing information that helps people. That's it. Information that helps people. Notice I said sharing because that's important. Content marketing does not mean you need to be a writer, although writing works well if you want to do that. If you don't, you can curate, which basically means sharing other people's content ethically while adding your own twist or commentary to it. If you have ever recommended a movie to a friend, you already know how to do this. You just make the recommendation online instead of in person. The most common way to do content marketing is with a blog. Your own blog, and when you have your own blog, you can post articles, videos, ask questions, build your list, and much more. A blog can be your home base for all your affiliate marketing. Other options for content marketing include Facebook, which is a powerful platform, Facebook groups. Now, these are free and easy to set up, and you are in control of the group. You're the moderator of the group, so you invite people in, and that gives you authority because they're listening to you as the moderator. YouTube is incredibly powerful. You can make videos like this one or get access to videos like this one and put them on YouTube and get a lot of traffic that way and sell affiliate products. Twitter is great for sending announcements, especially about launches or sales that you're promoting. Or any social gathering place online, including forums, which are wonderful places to do affiliate marketing. Communities like Reddit are great places to do affiliate marketing. Chats and Skype. Skype is a super good place to do affiliate marketing because you can have a group of people around the world that you're having a discussion with completely free. Now let's look at email marketing, a very powerful way to market online. Email marketing is simply selling things using email as the communication method. You either need a list of your own or you need to pay someone to send email to their list for you. That's often called a solo ad. Either way, you're basically sending an ad and asking readers to click a link. Having a list of your own is a powerful advantage, but if you don't have a list, don't worry. You can always begin building your list when you're ready. Paid advertising is next, and it's very powerful. Paid advertising can take many forms online. Many people have heard about solo ads and pay-per-click, and those work very well for affiliates. But there are other methods that work well too, including banner ads on targeted blogs. Did you know you can place your image ad or your banner ad on one specific blog? And you know the readers of that blog are interested in a particular topic. When you present to them a product that solves a need you know they have, they will buy from you. Native ads are very powerful. Now, those are ads that appear in content, sometimes underneath the content, and they'll often say you might also be interested in, and then they'll have a little picture and people click it. That works very well for affiliate marketing. Sponsored tweets work very well because they bring with them the credibility. Sponsored posts on Facebook work super well. So if you post something on Facebook, you can sponsor that post, which basically means showing that post to a group of people who don't follow you, who meet a particular criteria that you set. You can reach new niches, you can reach more people in your niche, and more with sponsored posts. Facebook ads also work very well. If you want to use paid ads, remember this: send all traffic to your landing page first so you can build your list. Your list is your main asset online. So you really want to focus in on building that mailing list, because when you do, you can make multiple offers to those people. You can ask them what they need and offer them products, and you can develop a relationship. It's the most powerful thing you can do online. And then you send them on to the affiliate site after they've joined your list. It's just as easy as pie. Social media and tribe building is very effective for affiliate marketing. Social media can be very powerful for affiliate marketers, especially if you love social media and spend some time there now. There's no easier or cheaper way to build a list of followers than Facebook. If you share valuable content with them, they'll like you and they'll trust you. They already do that because they're following you, and they'll listen when you make suggestions about products you're promoting. Each of these will work and do work. The question is, which is the best fit for you? There's no right answer to this question. My advice is this: start where you are. If you're on social, start sharing content and recommendations there. Choose a product that you love already, join their affiliate program and get your affiliate link, then begin sharing about the product on social. Just a list of why you use the product will often get you clicks, and those clicks over time add up. If you have a blog, start sharing on your blog. Write little short posts about why you love a particular product. Include your affiliate link and make a suggestion that they go check it out. And be sure to include advertising on your sidebar. This is expected these days, and it works wonderfully well. Many people ask about review sites. Review sites can work wonderfully well, but not if they only contain reviews and make offers. You must deliver value first and then ask for something in return. The best review sites are not sites at all, but rather pages on content-rich blogs. Here are some basics for doing reviews that convert into sales. Tell the whole truth, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Be honest. Be yourself. All you have to do is tell the truth. Provide a unique bonus. This is maybe the most powerful tip of all. Provide a unique bonus, and people will buy just to get your bonus. You can use high-quality PLR products to do this the easy way. You can provide special support if you're promoting a product you really know a lot about. You can provide a little report about how you use it and give that away as a bonus, and people love that. Answer questions before the sale. Put up a little contact form on your blog and say, do you have questions about this product? Ask me. And you can tell them as a user of the product. Sometimes people will ask you before they'll ask the product owner because they know you're going to give a more candid answer. These things alone will make you stand out from other affiliates and help you earn more passive income. Next, let's look at how to choose the right niche. And then the products that people in that niche will buy from you. I look forward to seeing you in Module 2. Thanks for being here.